If you want to increase Steam download speed and make your game downloads faster, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video helps you improve your Steam download speed, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, press Ctrl plus, Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Details tab. Now find the process called steam.exe. Right-click on steam.exe and hover over Set Priority. From the menu, select High. Equals if Windows asks you to confirm the priority change, click Change Priority. This can give Steam more CPU priority while it is running, although it may not directly increase your internet connection speed. Now close Task Manager and return to Steam. Finally, check your Steam download speed and see if there is any improvement.